Dollar Car Rental Review 2025. Is this the best budget car rental service? Most people get budget car rentals wrong by assuming cheaper always means lower quality. In 2025, Dollar Car Rental offers a mix of affordability and convenience. Dollar provides competitive rates, a wide selection of vehicles, and flexible pick-up and drop-off options. You won't believe what happens next. Their loyalty program, Dollar Express, lets frequent renters skip lines and earn rewards for future rentals. The surprising truth is that Dollar often partners with airports and travel platforms to offer additional discounts and bundle deals. Customer service is generally responsive, and their fleet includes economy, mid-size, and full-size cars, SUVs, and vans. Drawbacks include occasional long waits during peak travel and fees for young drivers or extra services. Compared to other budget options, Dollar strikes a balance between price, convenience, and availability. In conclusion, Dollar Car Rental in 2025 is a solid choice for travelers seeking reliable, budget-friendly rentals. While not perfect, its combination of competitive rates, loyalty perks, and fleet variety makes it one of the top budget rental services. Consider Dollar if you value convenience and savings on your next trip.